Imagine feeling lighter and more joyful every day, no matter the hustle and bustle of life. That's the promise of the free Happiness Starter Kit, ready to guide you towards emotional well-being. Understanding our emotions is not always easy, but understanding them is crucial for our mental health. This kit will provide easy-to-follow steps to help you manage feelings and reduce stress. A solid daily routine can be your anchor, providing a sense of control and balance. The Happiness Starter Kit will show you how to create a routine that supports your mental and emotional health. In a world that never slows down, the kit offers practical tips to help you find moments of calm and mindfulness, deepening your connections with others and enhancing your focus. For those tough days that skew your perspective, the kit has strategies to shift your thoughts towards positivity, turning challenges into opportunities for growth. And when you feel uncertain about your direction in life, the Happiness Starter Kit is there to help you find clarity and reduce anxiety. Stay tuned for the launch of the Happiness Starter Kit. It's not just a set of tools, it's the beginning of a journey towards a happier, healthier you and completely free. Get ready to unlock happiness. Your journey starts soon.